how to fix black screen on Roblox mobile. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix black screen on Roblox mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your mobile settings. Here, scroll down until you find apps option and tap on it. Here, search for Roblox app and select it. Once selected, here first tap on Force Stop as it will fix the bugs in your Roblox app. After that, tap on Storage. Here you have to clear cache and then clear data as well. Once done, go back and tap on Permissions option. Now here make sure you have to allow all permissions to your Roblox app. Once you do that, now go back to your settings home screen and scroll up and click on this connections option. Here, turn off and on your Wi-Fi to make sure it is working properly. Then simply tap on mobile network. Here tap on access point names and you will on this page. Now tap on these three dots at the top and tap on this reset to default as it will revert back your settings to default. Once done, go back and open up your Roblox mobile application. Here tap on this more option at the bottom right of the screen and on this page scroll down and tap on settings option. Under settings, tap on device preferences and make sure to toggle on this reduce motion option. Once you do all of these steps, leave the app and open it again. You will see you will not face any black screen error. So that's basically how you can fix black screen on Roblox mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.